Ever wonder if the physical branch you walk into actually makes a difference in how your money is handled? After spending a significant amount of time navigating the financial landscape here in Connecticut, I've realized that while digital banking is great, the best Patriot Bank branch isn't just about the closest GPS coordinate, it's about the specific atmosphere and the expertise of the people behind the counter. Patriot Bank is a staple in Southern Connecticut, but if you're looking for a personalized experience, some locations definitely stand out based on the foot traffic and the specialized services they offer. If you're in the heart of the business district, the Stamford branch on Bedford Street is the flagship for a reason. Because it's right next to their corporate headquarters, the energy there is professional and high stakes. I've found it's the best spot if you're dealing with complex commercial loans or need to speak with upper-level management. It feels less like a neighborhood stop-in and more like a place where serious local business gets done. On the flip side, if you prefer a more community feel where the tellers actually remember your name, the Norwalk and Westport branches are my personal favorites. The Norwalk branch on River Street has a much more accessible, neighborhood vibe. I've noticed that for everyday personal checking or setting up a simple savings account, the wait times here are usually shorter, and the staff seems to have more time for those one-on-one questions. For those of you further up the coast, the Milford branch on Boston Post Road is the go-to. It's strategically located, making it easy to hit during a lunch break or while running errands. What I've appreciated about the Milford team is their efficiency. They seem to understand that most people coming in are juggling a million things, so they get you in and out without the typical bank lag. If you're looking for the absolute best experience, my advice is to match the branch to your goal. Go to Stamford for big business and Westport or Norwalk for that personal, local touch. Even though Patriot is a mid-sized bank with about 8 branches across Fairfield and New Haven counties, each one has its own personality shaped by the town it serves. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.